In our last video, we had discussed about the SCAR token and we said it could easily do a 100x. Well, many congratulations to all of you who had participated in this IDO. And as we predicted, it not only did a 100x, but it made an all-time high of about 500x. The IDO price was $0.001 and it went all the way up to 50 cents and above. Currently it's trading at 26 cents, so that is also about 260x. So a big congratulations to all of you. So in today's video we are going to discuss about yet another IDO which is coming up, and we believe this could easily again do about the 50 or the 100x mark. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about this project and also about the IDO.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you want to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum or anything related to crypto, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as on the pinned comments. Apart from this, we also have a premium channel where we invest as private investors in some of these projects. So if you are interested to investing in these projects at an earlier stage before the IDO, so you can contact me. My Telegram is given on the pinned comments and we can discuss about it. So without further delay, let's jump on to today's project. The project that we are covering today is called as TryHards. Okay, the website is tryhards.io and it's a decentralized NFT based action game covering the universe. Now let's understand what the game is all about. The game requires us to collect as many fanatics as possible, upgrade their power to increase universe power used for staking, craft variety of crystals, level up weapons and fanatics, and there's also an in-game marketplace. As you can see right here, it is coming soon where we can buy and sell crystals, weapons and fanatics. Okay, now what are some of the unique features, or what are these features are all about? Like I mentioned about refinery, I mentioned about crystals. So what are these all about? So first of all, let's take a quick look on the features side of things. So it's an NFT based game where we need to own the characters, we need to own the weapons. Then there's a refinery where we can actually craft the crystals to get better ones for the upgrading. Then there's an in-game marketplace where we can trade fanatics, crystals or weapons. So the game also has a staking facility wherein depending on the fanatics and the weapons and the powers that they have, they decide on the staking rewards. Then there's a 1 versus 1 mode wherein we can fight with other players in the arena to become the number 1 on the leaderboard. And there's also an opportunity to level up the fanatics and the weapons. Now let's take a quick look on the tech side of things and on what is this built on. So this game is built on Polygon, Solana, BSC and Chainlink. Now why have they selected Polygon? Let's try to understand that first. Now it is built on the Polygon for a few reasons. Number one, it has a very low transaction fees. It's a layer 2 solution. It has a smooth gaming experience and the block speed is very fast. Why have they selected Chainlink? Usage of Chainlink enables to use the VRF functions which helps in the NFT drops, get random numbers from Chainlink and provide on-chain transparency. So the on-chain transparency is very high on Chainlink. That is one of the primary reasons why they have selected Chainlink as a technology behind this. Right now let's take a quick look on the TryHards Metaverse, what it all contains. I discussed about fanatics, crystals and gaining powers. Now let's try to understand what this is all about. Now it's a play, win and earn. It's a play to earn token. So everything in the TryHard takes place on the planet X. Fanatics hailing from different planets come here to fight, earn precious crystals and get themselves a top spot on the leaderboard. So this is a fighting game with a target to get the top spot on the leaderboard and earn more precious crystals. What these crystals would help about, we'll come to that at a later point of time. Right? What are fanatics? Let's try to understand that. Fanatics are TryHards protagonists. Okay, unique warriors belonging to the different factions which survived the Satoshi massacre. Fanatics represent their factions in the arena, fighting opponents with their weapon. Different weapons in TryHards offer special advantages to different combat situations. All fanatics and weapons come in different levels of quality, ranging from normal to legendary. Now comes the crystals. Now, what are crystals? Native of Planet X, survivors are the descendants of humans who survived the technological revolution started by Satoshi. So it's the backdrop of what this game is built on. Okay, the resulting Satoshi massacre drove them to leave their home planet and settle on a planet called as Esperanza, hoping to rebuild the society as they had once known it. More than 1,000 years later, they remain committed to fulfilling the hopes of their pioneering ancestors and one day return to their true home, which is the planet X. Okay, now what all are involved in this game? You can own certain weapons through the NFT collections. Obviously, there's a refinery where you can craft the crystals for better quality. There's a marketplace where you can trade several weapons and characters about the game, and of course there's a staking option which we discussed earlier as well. Now, what are the different characters that are involved here? There are factions like apes, robots, undead, and survivors. There are fanatics or characters, so there are about 20 characters in total right here. As you can see, there are multiple characters, by then some of them are like Apin, then Mona, and there are quite a few others as well. Now, there are certain weapons that we can use. Primarily, these are the 10 weapons that are available. Each weapon has a unique characteristic and a unique name as well. You can read more about the weapons on the website directly. And here comes the most important part, the metaverse qualities, right? Fanatics and weapons comes in various levels of quality. The quality of the fanatic and the weapon determines their power. So higher quality fanatics and weapons are rarer. So basically, if you want to collect the NFTs, then the NFTs that are due for collecting here are the fanatics, number one, which are the characters in the game, and number two are the weapons that we can look to collect. And then comes the refinery where the crystals could be refined, and we can find rare minerals or crystals from the refinery itself, right? And there are staking and farming options available as well, right? This is the marketplace is yet not live, so this is a preview of what the marketplace will look like on TryHards. Now, moving on to the roadmap, first stone in this journey was laid in the Q1 of 2021, where the first conceptualization and idea formation took place. Then through Q2 and Q3, they built the website and strategic partnerships were announced. In the current quarter, that is the fourth quarter, the IDOs and the NFT drops will take place, and they are also planning to launch the marketplace in the fourth quarter. In the fifth quarter, they are planning to launch the alpha version of the game, and in the second quarter of 2022 they will be expanding the metaverse, introducing governance, cross-chain functionality, which is extremely important, and they will integrate with the Solana as well. Here is a quick look on the teams, but the most important aspect is the advisors. They have some pretty good names on the advisors panel, like the Charlie Hu, who is the head of Polygon in China. Then there is Mean from CA Coin Capital, and there are other NFT evangelists on the advisors board as well. Now, moving on to the strategic partnership, this is extremely important, right? The IDO will be held on DuckDAO on the 18th. So these are the dates of the IDO. Duck Starter on the 18th of November, Poker Bridge on 19th of November, ProStar will be on the 21st of November, and CDFi will be on the 22nd of November. And I am most excited about the CDFi IDO, right? So all of these are strategic partners. Here they are: DuckDAO, as we mentioned, then there is Basics Capital, CDFi Fund, as they have their IDO there, and a couple of others as well. If you have to talk about the metaverse alliances, then there are Pluto Digital, Kangaroo Capital, Pro Starter, Bondly, and a few other, right? And as far as the tech integrations are concerned, we discussed about Polygon, Chainlink, Solana earlier as well. Now let's take a quick look on the tokenomics of the TryHards. So this is the tokenomics of the TryHards. Seed round will have 9% of the tokens, strategic round will have 11%, private investors will have 11% again. So again, if you want to become a private investors in these projects, you can reach out to me. We do participate as private investors in some of these groups. Then there is IDO, and that will only give away 5% of the total tokens. Team will get 7.5%. There was an airdrop of 1%. Advisors are getting 6%. The initial DEX liquidity is 1.5%. I believe this is a bit lower. This could have been a little better. Then of course the play to earn rewards includes the 17.5% of the coins. 16% would be used for staking rewards, 7% for treasury, and 7.5% for development. Before coming to the prices, let me tell you that there will be about 200 million Try tokens. Okay, and at the seed round the price is at about 0.04 cent. At the strategic round it's about 0.06. Private investors got it at 0.07, and IDO we will be getting at 0.09. So if I have to compare the strategic round with the IDO, there's a straight gap of more than 50%. That is why I always recommend you to come join us and become a member of our channel, where we invest as private investors. You are directly getting an advantage of about 50% already on the price as well. Right now, moving on to the vesting, which is extremely important. Now for the seed investors, they will get 5% of the tokens on the TGE, and there will be a daily vesting right up to the Q3 of 2022. Strategic investors will get 10% of the tokens, and of course again their vesting will also continue till Q3 of 2022. Private investors will also get 10% vesting, 10% of their tokens at the TGE, and there will be a daily vesting of the remaining 90%, and that will happen up to Q2 of 2022. And at IDO there will be a token release of 33% at the TGE, and in the Q4 itself, in the following 2 months, they will get 33% and 34% as well. And as far as the team is concerned, they will get the tokens on a daily vesting period starting from the Q4 of 2022 right through till Q4 of 2023. So these are some of the very important numbers that you need to keep in mind. Now the initial market cap, if we take a quick look on that, with the listing price of 0.09 and with the liquidity of 3.3 million, the initial market cap at the TGE without liquidity comes to about $297,000, and with liquidity it comes to about $567,000. So this is in short about the IDO that I'm very much excited about. This is TryHards.io. The link for that would be given in the description below. You can actually scroll through them and understand more details. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our Telegram channel. The link for that is given in the descriptions below. If you like the content, please smash up the like button and also hit the subscribe button. Going forward, we will be covering more and more such new projects which we feel have great potential. So if you like this content, do let us know by commenting below, and just comment with a thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye for now.